Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on backing up your PostgreSQL database. Backing up your database is crucial for data security and recovery in case of unexpected issues. Let's get started. Right-click on the database name. From the context menu, select the backup option. Browse to the desired location where you want to save the backup file. Choose the plain option from the format list. This format is suitable for most backup scenarios. Click the Backup button to initiate the backup process. Now check in folder, backup is completed successfully. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively protect your PostgreSQL database from potential data loss and ensure business continuity. Thank you for watching.